Why the Brady M511 printer is a total beast. Military-grade labeling? Worksite game changer. Ever stood on the job site ready to crush it, only to get crushed by a wimpy label printer that jams, dies, or straight up ghosts you when you need it most? You're juggling wires, dodging dust clouds, and sweating buckets, then boom! Your reliable tool coughs and quits like it's on strike. Whether you're labeling panels, sorting wires, or organizing gear, nothing kills momentum like cheap plastic junk that wasn't built for the real world. You've been there, stuck, frustrated, and ready to Hulk smash your gear into oblivion. Now multiply that pain. Missed inspections, mislabeled cables, confused crews, and total chaos when you're already on a tight schedule. It's Burnout City with every misfire, every wasteful label, every tool that feels more like a toddler than a teammate. Productivity nosedives. You're burning time, cash, and sanity trying to fix what your printer should have nailed the first time. And those sketchy Bluetooth connections? Yeah, let's not. This ain't arts and crafts, this is industrial grade work, and your gear should act like it. Enter the Brady M511 portable wireless industrial label printer, aka your new job site superhero. This monster prints up to 1.5-inch edge-to-edge labels so sharp they make barcodes look sexy. Bluetooth 5.0 keeps you wire-free up to 65 feet, and the military-grade shock resistance means it shrugs off drops, dust, and even 250-pound crushes like it's in a Fast and Furious movie. With 1000 label battery life, auto-cutting magic, and Brady voice dictation, this ain't just a printer, it's a label legend. 5 users can connect at once, whether you're on a phone, tablet, or PC. It's portable, powerful, and perfectly savage. Now imagine printing in your truck, mid-job, no lag, no limits. The Brady Express Labels app makes mobile printing crazy easy, while Brady Workstation software on PC gives you pro-level design vibes. Built-in auto cutter? Check. Edge-to-edge clarity at 300 dpi? Yup. Dust-shielded cartridges? You bet. And the internal lithium-ion battery? It just keeps going. The M511 turns chaos into order, stress into speed, and scattered workflows into a smooth, synced-up symphony. If you need crisp, fast, durable labels, this is it. So, here's the deal. Don't wait for your next labeling fail to upgrade. Join thousands of field-tested pros who already swear by the Brady M511. Stocks don't last forever, seriously, these things fly off shelves, and your workflow deserves better than good enough. Level up your labeling game with a tool that actually pulls its weight, and then some. Click that link, grab your Brady M511, and label like a legend. This is your moment, go pro, or go home.